What do you do when the heat index is up around or over 100 degrees? You go to the lake. This is Grundy Lakes. It's a just a nice little lake in Grundy County. It was, they had coke ovens, like as in coke that, let's see if I can get you a picture of it. They're hard to see. They're up there in the trees. Can you see them? The old coke ovens, they're built out of brick up into that hillside, and they would take coal and they would pre-simmer it, kind of like charcoal, only done with coal, for the iron industry.